Poor circulation affects millions of people worldwide, particularly those over 60. If you're experiencing heavy legs, swollen ankles, cold hands and feet, or that constant feeling of fatigue in your lower extremities, you're not alone. Today, we'll explore 6 natural drinks that research suggests may help support healthy circulation through dietary compounds found in common ingredients. What makes this approach different from conventional treatments is the focus on supporting your body's natural circulation processes rather than simply masking symptoms. The drinks we'll discuss contain compounds that have been studied for their potential effects on blood flow, inflammation, and vascular health. These aren't miracle cures, but rather nutritional approaches that may complement a healthy lifestyle and proper medical care. Understanding circulation challenges. Your circulatory system works like a complex network, with your heart pumping blood throughout your body. This system must work against gravity to return blood from your legs back to your heart, a task that becomes more challenging as we age. As we get older, blood vessels may become less flexible. The small valves in our veins that help push blood back to the heart can weaken, and inflammation can affect blood vessel health. When blood doesn't flow efficiently back from the legs to the heart, it can pool in the lower extremities, leading to swelling and discomfort. Chronic inflammation plays a significant role in circulation problems. This low-level, persistent inflammation can affect blood vessel walls over time, making them less flexible and contributing to circulation issues. Addressing this inflammation through lifestyle changes, including targeted dietary interventions, may help support better circulation naturally. The first circulation support drink, ginger lemon water. Our first drink combines ginger and lemon, 2 ingredients that have been studied for their potential circulatory benefits. Research published in scientific journals shows that ginger's active compound gingerol works through multiple pathways to support cardiovascular health, including blocking calcium channels that help blood vessels relax. A study published in Scientific Reports found that ginger extract significantly improved blood flow in both normal and ischemic conditions, suggesting its potential for supporting circulation. Research involving 4,628 people found that those who consumed 2 to 4 grams of ginger per day had the lowest risk of developing high blood pressure. Studies have shown that ginger powder at 3 grams per day significantly lowered triglyceride and cholesterol levels while improving HDL cholesterol in clinical trials. The compound gingerol in ginger has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may support nitric oxide production, which helps blood vessels relax and expand. Lemon contributes vitamin C and flavonoids to this combination. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps maintain blood vessel integrity. Citrus flavonoids, particularly hesperidin, have been studied for their potential vascular benefits and may help strengthen capillary walls. To prepare this drink, you'll need a 3-centimeter piece of fresh ginger root, 1 organic lemon, 500 milliliters of filtered water, and optional raw honey for taste. Peel and slice the ginger thinly to increase surface area for compound extraction. Bring water to a rolling boil, add ginger slices, and simmer for exactly 8 minutes. This timing extracts beneficial gingerol compounds without making the drink too spicy. Remove from heat and let cool for 5 minutes. This cooling period is important because adding lemon juice to very hot water can destroy vitamin C content. Add fresh lemon juice once cooled to preserve nutritional value. Strain the mixture and divide into 2 portions. Consume the first portion in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption. Take the second portion 30 minutes before dinner to potentially support circulation during evening hours when some people experience increased swelling. Important safety considerations include consulting your healthcare provider if you're taking blood-thinning medications, as ginger may interact with these drugs. Always use fresh ginger rather than powder for better compound content. The second circulation helper: green tea with honey and cinnamon. Green tea has been extensively studied for its cardiovascular benefits. Epidemiological, clinical, and experimental studies have established a positive correlation between green tea consumption and cardiovascular health, with catechins exerting vascular protective effects through antioxidative, antihypertensive, anti-inflammatory, and antithrombogenic mechanisms. Research shows that tea catechins regulate vascular tone by activating endothelial nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels function properly. A systematic review and meta-analysis found that green tea supplementation can reduce diastolic blood pressure, with the cardioprotective activity mainly attributed to the antioxidant properties of catechins. Studies suggest that green tea catechins can prevent atherosclerosis, hypertension, and endothelial dysfunction by decreasing oxidative stress, preventing inflammatory events, and reducing platelet aggregation. The processing method for green tea preserves more beneficial compounds compared to black tea because it doesn't undergo fermentation. This minimal processing helps retain catechins like EGCG, which have been researched for their potential vascular protective properties. Raw honey adds more than sweetness to this combination. It contains enzymes and various compounds that may have health benefits. Ceylon cinnamon contains bioactive compounds that some preliminary research suggests may have mild effects on blood vessel function. For preparation, use 1 teaspoon of loose green tea leaves, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and 250 milliliters of filtered water. Heat water to 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, bring water to a boil and let it cool for 3 minutes. Pour heated water over tea leaves and steep for exactly 3 minutes. Longer steeping can create bitterness and may affect beneficial compounds. Strain the tea and wait until it's comfortable to drink before adding honey and cinnamon. Adding honey to very hot tea may destroy some beneficial enzymes. Drink this approximately 1 hour after breakfast for optimal timing. If you take medications, maintain a gap between medication and tea consumption, as some compounds in green tea may affect how certain medications are absorbed. The third circulation supporter: Beetroot and Celery Blend. Beetroot has gained significant scientific attention for its nitrate content and circulation benefits. A double-blind, placebo-controlled study found that beetroot juice containing 6.5 to 7.3 millimole of nitrate significantly reduced aortic blood pressure in healthy adults. A systematic review of randomized clinical trials demonstrated that beetroot juice supplementation is a cost-effective strategy that might reduce blood pressure in different populations through the nitrate, nitrite, nitric oxide pathway. Research shows that beetroot juice increases levels of nitric oxide, which serves multiple functions related to increased blood flow. And studies have reported that beetroot supplementation can reduce blood pressure, preserve endothelial function, and restore cerebrovascular blood flow. A comprehensive meta-analysis of 22 studies found that beetroot juice supplementation significantly lowered both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, with larger effects seen in longer duration studies and higher doses. The nitrates in beetroot are converted by the body into nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax and may support healthy blood flow. This process provides sustained circulation support for several hours after consumption. Celery complements beetroot by providing potassium and other minerals important for overall health and fluid balance. Celery also contains various plant compounds that may contribute to the overall beneficial effects of this blend. To prepare this blend, use 1 medium beetroot, 2 celery stalks with leaves, 1 green apple for taste, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 250 milliliters of water, juice from 1 lemon, and a pinch of sea salt. Wash the beetroot thoroughly, but don't peel it, as some beneficial compounds may be concentrated near the skin. Cut into small pieces for easier blending. Include celery leaves, as they contain various nutrients. Blend all ingredients for 60 seconds until smooth. Consume this blend on an empty stomach at least 30 minutes before breakfast for potentially better absorption. Some people may notice pink or red coloration in their urine after consuming beetroot, which is normal and harmless due to betalain pigments. People with kidney conditions should consult their healthcare provider before consuming this potassium-rich drink. Those taking blood pressure medications should discuss this with their doctor, as dietary changes may affect medication effectiveness. The fourth circulation aid: parsley and garlic water. Parsley is a good dietary source of vitamin K, which plays a role in various bodily functions, including vascular health. Vitamin K is involved in proteins that help regulate calcium in the body, potentially supporting blood vessel health. Garlic has been extensively studied for cardiovascular effects. When crushed or chopped, garlic produces allicin, a sulfur compound that has been researched for potential heart health benefits. Some studies suggest garlic may have mild effects on cholesterol and blood pressure, though results have been mixed and more research is needed. For preparation, use 1 bunch of fresh parsley, 3 garlic cloves, 1 liter of filtered water, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and juice from 1 lemon. Wash and chop the parsley, including stems. Crush garlic cloves and let sit for 10 minutes to allow allicin formation. Bring salted water to a boil, add parsley, and simmer for 5 minutes. Add crushed garlic and simmer for 3 more minutes. Remove from heat and steep for 15 minutes for compound extraction. Strain and add lemon juice while warm. Divide into 4 portions for the day. Consume the first portion on an empty stomach in the morning, the second around mid-morning, the third in the afternoon, and the final portion 2 hours before bed. This spacing may help maintain more consistent levels of beneficial compounds. Exercise caution if you're taking blood-thinning medications, as garlic may interact with these drugs. People preparing for surgery should discuss garlic consumption with their healthcare provider. The fifth circulation enhancer: coconut water with turmeric. Coconut water provides natural electrolytes that may help with hydration. Proper hydration is important for maintaining healthy blood consistency and supporting overall cardiovascular function. A randomized placebo-controlled study found that turmeric concentrate intake can reduce blood pressure and improve antioxidant and anti-inflammatory status, with participants showing blunted blood pressure response to exercise. Research published in the journal Aging found that curcumin supplementation improved resistance and conduit artery endothelial function in healthy middle-aged and older adults, with a 37% increase in forearm blood flow response. A meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials showed that turmeric and curcumin may protect patients at risk of cardiovascular disease through improving serum lipid levels. Studies provide evidence that curcumin has pleiotropic effects and attenuates numerous parameters which contribute to increased cardiovascular disease risk in aging and obesity. The challenge with curcumin is bioavailability, as the body typically absorbs only small amounts when consumed alone. Black pepper contains piperine, which some research suggests may enhance curcumin absorption when consumed together. For preparation, use 500 milliliters of natural coconut water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and juice from half a lemon. Gently warm the coconut water without boiling to preserve beneficial compounds. Dissolve turmeric completely in the warm water. Add black pepper, which may help with curcumin absorption. Blend in coconut oil until smooth. Once cooled to room temperature, add honey and lemon juice, mixing well. Consume once daily, preferably 1 hour before lunch. For people with specific health concerns, this may be consumed twice daily for short periods, with at least 8 hours between servings, though you should consult with a healthcare provider first. The sixth circulation support: Tart Cherry and Pomegranate Blend. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins, compounds that give them their deep red color. These compounds have been studied for their antioxidant properties, which may have various health benefits related to inflammation and vascular health. Pomegranate juice contains various polyphenols and antioxidant compounds. Some research has investigated pomegranate's potential health effects, though specific circulation benefits need more study to be fully confirmed. The combination of tart cherry and pomegranate provides various antioxidants that may support overall health through their potential anti-inflammatory properties. To prepare this blend, combine 200 milliliters of pure tart cherry juice, 200 milliliters of pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice, and 100 milliliters of sparkling water. Mix thoroughly and consume immediately to preserve any beneficial compounds. This drink can be consumed in the early evening, about 2 hours before dinner. The timing may allow any beneficial compounds to be available during overnight hours when your body performs various repair processes. Next, important considerations and safety guidelines. While these drinks contain compounds that have been studied for various health effects, they are not substitutes for proper medical care. If you have diagnosed circulation problems, blood pressure issues, or take medications, always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. These natural approaches work best as part of a comprehensive healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, a balanced diet, adequate hydration, stress management, and proper medical care when needed. Start with one drink and gradually add others over several weeks to allow your body to adjust and monitor any responses. Discontinue use if you experience adverse effects and consult your healthcare provider if you have concerns. The compounds in these drinks may interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners and blood pressure medications. Always inform your healthcare providers about any concentrated natural compounds you're consuming. Supporting your circulation health requires a comprehensive approach that goes beyond any single intervention. These 6 drinks may provide beneficial compounds as part of a broader health strategy, working alongside proper nutrition, regular exercise, and medical care when appropriate. Remember that meaningful health improvements typically come from consistent, long-term lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. These drinks represent evidence-based approaches to supporting health through nutrition, though their specific effects on circulation continue to be studied and understood. If this information was helpful, please type yes in the comments to let us know. Your feedback helps us create more evidence-based content. Please like this video if it provided value, share it with someone who might benefit from natural health approaches, and subscribe for more research-based health information. Thank you for taking an interest in supporting your health naturally and responsibly.